All right, good morning. I am here with the Ocala Metal Detecting Club, and this is our club's last big hunt of the year. We have $1,200 in silver and prizes out here for our 2023 club members to find. So they are lining up for the first hunt, and we are on 2 acres here. So it'll be interesting, and hopefully everybody finds some stuff and has a good time. Alright, so we are just starting the silver hunt, and there is no silver out here, so they will figure out quickly what they're looking for and hopefully tune in and key into it. So now that they're out hunting, I'll let you know we have buried 300 keys for silver dimes and 50 keys for silver quarters. And there's a bunch of tokens buried with numbers on them that coincide with other larger prizes. Alright, so everyone's still out digging here. Looks like everybody's picking stuff up, so that's a good sign. It means everybody's going to get some silver today. That was the plan. Alright, it appears that everybody is still digging. We are about 25 minutes into this silver hunt, and I think everybody's pretty much figured out that they're looking for keys and tokens at this point. The bending over is slowing down a little bit, but I still see quite a bit of it going on, so it means they're looking for the stuff they're finding. I don't think I put anything like within 10 foot of the fence, 10 or 15 foot of the fences.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, so we got about 10 minutes left, and I see a lot of people swinging and only a few actually digging, so I'm guessing they've gotten the majority of it out of the ground. I'm sure there's still some over there which they can hunt after our second hunt of the day and see if they can recover any of the rest of it. But there's still quite a few people bending over pulling stuff out, just not sure what they're getting right now. Alright, so everybody came in and we went through all the prizes, and this is what we gave out, and surprisingly there was only one silver dime that wasn't found, so we're heading out to do... Alright, after walking out here, I did remember I did bury some pennies in the field out here, but the majority of them are laying on top of the ground.
I can always use my foot.
So if you put your coils in the air, ready, set, go! Now these aren't buried, so it's fairly easy just to walk along and pick them up. Some of them are.
Exercise.
All right, for this hunt, I did not bury the majority of these. There's a few of them that are buried, but they were buried in clumps. So the person that digs them up is going to probably find 5 or 10 of them in a clump. But most of them are right on top of the ground. And they're missing them because I was just walking through there and saw them everywhere. So hopefully they'll spend some time and go back and recover them. All right, so we're all wrapped up. Everything's put away. I just wanted to finish this off. I think everybody had a good time. Here's our winners of the penny hunt. Ron found the most total with 160. Alec found the most blue pennies with 20. And Ron and Tom each found 14. So all 3 of them got prizes. And I think everybody had a pretty good time. This is what's left of our shenanigans today. Ken won the metal detector that we raffled off. Other than that, we will see you at our next hunt.